Ndewonu, welcome back to my channel Learning Igbo with High Center. We will be talking about 1, 2, 3 in Igbo, which is Ọnụọgụgụ Igbo. Okay, Ọnụọgụgụ Igbo. No need to waste time, let's begin. Otu, otu, abụọ, atọ, anọ, ise, isii, asaa, 7, asatọ, 8, itoolu, iri. Iri is 10, itoolu is 9. Then as iri is 10, and you know that otu is 1, right? So 10 and 1 is 11, is it not? Okay, so now iri na otu, which is 11. Iri na abụọ, 12. Iri na atọ, 13. Okay, you go like that until you reach 20, which is ọgụ, or you say iri abụọ, right? Remember 10, which is iri, that is 1 iri. Are you getting what I'm trying to say? Otu iri, that is 10, all right? So now 20 now should be 10 into 2 places, is it not? Which is iri abụọ. Are you getting it? Are you with me? So iri abụọ means 20. Okay? Like that you go 21, which is iri abụọ na otu. Alright? Until like that you reach 30, which is iri atọ. Remember, 10 into 3 places, which is 3 is atọ, right? So 10 into 3 places should be iri atọ. So 30, iri atọ. 31 should be what? Good. It should be iri atọ na otu. Are you with me? 32 the same, iri atọ na abụọ. Until you reach 40, which is iri anọ. Remember, 4 is anọ. Then 5 is ise. So when you reach 50, iri ise. Okay, 60, iri isii. The same until you reach 100. So now 100 is narị, which you say otu narị. Okay, otu narị. Can you say it? Otu narị. So what do you think now? Like figure it out. 200 should be what? Narị abụọ. You will not say abụọ narị. No. It's the first one you first mention otu, like 1. Okay? But the subsequent ones will be narị abụọ, which is 200. Narị atọ, which is 300. Narị anọ, 400. Remember anọ, if you follow from 1 to 10, right? So like that you go 500, which is what? Narị ise. Good. 600, 700. You go like that to ịgagide otu ahụ. That is the meaning. You go like that until you reach 1000. Alright, but before we go there, let's go back. So as we reach 100, which is what? Otu narị. So now, how do you now say 110? Otu narị na iri. Alright? So 120 should be otu narị na iri abụọ. The same 130. Okay? So 150 should be otu narị na iri ise. Like that 160, 170, 180. Okay? And then you reach what? 200, which should be narị abụọ. Say it again. Narị abụọ, narị atọ, which is 300, narị anọ, 400. You go until you reach 1000. And now 1000 is called otu puku, 1000. thousand. Thousand is puku. Puku. Nari is 100. Alright? So when we get to million, I'll tell you what million is called. So 1,000 puku. 1,000 otu puku. Remember, one is otu, right? So the same like that. 2,000 puku abo. Puku ato. Then when you get to million, 1 million is otu nde. Nde is called million. Alright? So 1 million is otu nde. So now tell me, you should get this one now. What is 2 million? Excellent. Nde abụọ. 3 million nde atọ. 4 million nde anọ. Okay? Like that. Like that. Are you getting it? Okay. So now, relating it to our currency. Okay? Remember, our currency is naira. Is it not? Relating it to it. Okay? Assuming you have 10 naira. How to say 10 naira is naira iri. Okay? Naira iri. Not just iri. Remember, iri means 10. But now we are adding naira to it. So how to say it is naira iri. Are you getting it? Okay. So what about naira abo? I know this one is no more common in Nigeria, but you still need to know it, right? So naira abo means 2 naira. 2 naira. All right. I did not say naira iri abo, which is 20 naira. Remember, iri abo, 20 naira. This one is just abo. Okay, which is naira abo, 2 naira. The same thing, naira ato, 3 naira here. So 20 naira, naira iri abo. 30 naira, the same thing, naira iri ato. Okay, until you get to 100, which I said 100 is what? Nari. So now 100 is otu nari naira. Alright, 200, nari naira abo. The same thing, 300, 400, 500. Okay, until you get to 1,000, which is otu puku naira. 2,000, puku naira abo. 3,000, puku naira ato. Till you reach to 100,000, which is otu puku nari naira. Okay, 200,000, nari naira puku abo. 300,000, nari naira puku ato. Are you getting it? The same thing, 500,000, until you reach 1 million. Okay, which is otu nde naira. Alright, you go like that until you reach 2 million, which is nde naira abo. 4 million, nde naira ano. Like that, like that. Are you getting it? Good. So in summary, iri, 10, iri abo, 20 to 100, which is nari, 1,000, puku, million, which is nde. You should know your ọnụọgụgụ Igbo, 1, 2, 3. Alright? So this is where we're going to stop this lesson. And please don't forget to like this video, share, and subscribe to my channel for more Igbo lessons. See you in our coming lessons. Que mesia.